Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you the instructions for the Pebble Stitch hat to match the Pebble Stitch scarf from the previous video. So let's get started. And I'm going to give you both methods, worked flat or worked in the round. And at the end of the video, I will give you the written instructions for both. Start with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 17. I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Slow motion for the single crochet. Insert the hook through the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. And I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch. Slow motion for a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So I'm going to work across the row, alternating single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row and I ended with a double crochet. So then I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to single crochet in that very first stitch, which is the double crochet of the previous row, and I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row, and I'm going to keep repeating that row until I have a section like this that should wrap around the head, or I'll give you the measurements for what this should be for each size. When you're finished, you'll fasten off with a long yarn end and thread it into a needle, and then you'll weave the needle through approximately every 4th stitch along this long side. Pull to gather this up and close the top of the hat. Take a few stitches here to secure it, and then bring both ends together and sew the back seam of the hat. Like that, and then the hat will be finished. To work the hat in the round like this so that you have a tube, I'm going to work a chain that will either wrap around the head or the following measurements. After you have your chain, you're going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch to join. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next. Double crochet. Single crochet. You're going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I ended with a double crochet, and the first stitch was a single. I'm going to slip stitch to join in that single crochet. And now I'm going to chain 2, because that was a single crochet. I have to start with a double. So I'm going to chain 2, and that's my double crochet. And there's my next stitch, which is a double, and I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. Then I'm going to double crochet in the next. I'm going to single crochet in the next, and I'm going to continue to work all the way around like that. When I get back here, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2, and then I'll chain 1 and single crochet in that same stitch. So you just continue to work row after row until you have the hat proper height for whichever size you're making. And here are the measurements for that. And you'll fasten off with a long yarn end, thread it into a yarn needle, and weave through the last row of stitches, passing through every 4th stitch. To gather up and close the top of the hat, several stitches to secure it, and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And there's the top of the hat. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this hat. And you can either work it in the round or flat. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.